How to add or remove reminder panel to edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. After click on edge panels, make sure turn on edge panel and click on panels. If you want to add reminder panel to edge panel, click on reminder. You will see reminder is add on quick settings panel. If you want to remove reminder panel to edge panel, click on panels and unselect. After unselect, you will see reminder is removed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove reminder panel to edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.